Down in front, down in front. Seekonk, number 12, pulling up his shorty shorts. George taking it to the hoop. Oh gosh.
Come on guys, play spot.
Wilcox wide open, looking for a pass here. Wilcox getting it to the hoop hard. Oh, James. Oh, there's some action here. The crowd is on fire. 13-6, Seekonk. The bad guys over there. Josh, all red.
Come on, Josh.
Number 3.
Nice, nice. Come on.
Wilcox with the rebound. Strong rebound there by Cameron Wilcox.
Nice rebound. Come on, guys, set it up. Let's be smart.
Wilcox going for the shot. Oh, Wilcox on fire! Cameron Wilcox making his presence felt, folks.
Stay with him. Nice. You got it? Did you get it? Yeah.
Seekonk breaking again.
Come on, guys, set it up. Set it up.
Traveled. Going to Wilcox. Wilcox top of the key. Passes it over to Danny Silva. Danny's making a break. Got Silva with the ball. Jump shot.
Come on, rebound, rebound, guys. Let's go.
No good. Coming in. They're on fire, folks. They're on fire. For the end one. Three-point play. Nice game. 19-7. 30 seconds.
Come on, guys.
12 seconds. Oh no, they got 12 seconds. Kick by Wilcox. Wilcox playing a little kickball out there. It's all right.
They had time to sit down.
All right, let's go. You got 5 seconds, boys. You got to throw it up pretty quick here, folks. You got 4 seconds.
Stay with them.
How you doing there? Pay attention to the clock, huh? End of the first quarter. 19-7, Seekonk. Taking it to Rehoboth.
Nice.
All right, I'm a little late here, but Josh Silver just started the second quarter with a 3-pointer. All right, ladies, move along. Tough. I'm on the first row here.
Stay at him.
Oh, nice little move there, Titan Rehoboth. Danny Silver drops it off to Jordan. Jordan at the top of the key. Pass it over to Danny Silver. Over to Josh Silver. Wilcox picking it up. Pass it up to Josh. Stolen. Right there. We don't like him. Nope, kind of a punk. Number 15. There's Cameron Wilcox setting it up.
Come on, guys. Slow it down. Set it up. Let's go.
Oh, he throws it up there. Wilcox! Oh, the rebounds. It's amazing. He got the draws a foul. Wilcox at the line. Just drew a foul. Tucking his shirt in, looking good.
Take your time.
Oh, and that kid, it's unlikely that he misses one. He must be a little nervous with all the pressure here.
Nice.
Bang! Nice Wilcox. All right, he got 1 out of 2. That's not bad. We can't complain. 23-12, Seekonk winning. Second quarter, 6 minutes to go.
Hands up! Good, hands up!
Moves to Wilcox. Wilcox, you know he wants to take that shot, and it's up. Oh! Wilcox checking out the clock. Well, the scoreboard, I should say. Danny Silver. Oh, we got a timeout, Seekonk. I'll tell you, folks, the fans have not sit yet. You got Seekonk high. They haven't sat down yet. And Rehoboth. Titan Rehoboth. Not Seekonk. It's over.
All right, guys, let's go. Nice job,
Josh Silver, number 3, passes it into Danny. Danny goes up, rebound. Titan.
Yes! Hands up.
There's Moonsy over to Danny. Back to Nunes. Back to Josh. Josh wants to shoot it. Passes it over. Danny Silver. Back to Nunes. Nunes taking it out. Pass to Wilcox. Up and one. Wilcox going. Nice. Got a boy, Wilcox. And he draws a foul. Tucking in those shirts of his again. Seekonks we know and love. I gotta say, Wilcox is making his presence felt here, folks. It's late in the season. He is a junior, I mean.
Come on, guys.
Wilcox with a strong rebound there. Hugging that ball. No one's going to take it away from him. He's making a few hand gestures. Josh Silver, top of the key, throws it in there. Kind of a long bomb, but hey, what can you do? He usually hits them.
Don't let him in.
Woo.
Good. Don't let him in.
Rebound. Two rebounds by the bad guys. There we go. Danny Silva with a fast break. I'm going to say he's going to take it right to the hoop. Yeah, ring around the rosy, baby. Oh, they're starting to fight with each other here.
Come on, guys, hands up.
Taking it to the hoop, one-handed. Oh, three-pointer by Dighton, number 12. He's got a hot hand, folks. Hopefully he doesn't start getting hot. Seekonk could get in trouble. 28-19. A little over 3 minutes to go in the second quarter. Danny Silva to Josh Silver up. Sweet move. Timeout Dighton. Timeout Dighton. 30-19. Just over 3 minutes to go. Second quarter. Timeout. Play resumes.
Hands up.
Again, he's got that hot hand. He just hit a three-pointer to pull Dighton within 8. Nunes to Danny Silva. They're calling the plays right now. Good defense here. Going to set the pick. Danny goes up, puts in a sweet layup. They're going to start to double team that number 12 there. He's kind of got a hot hand. I got to tell you, though, the frustration is showing in Dighton and Rehoboth. The team is starting to argue with one another. That's not good.
Come on, guys, hands up.
There's that number 12 again.
Nice.
Air ball. And the fans are singing air ball. There's Danny. To Cameron. Off the bank. Good try. Pass. Nice play by Dighton Rehoboth, I gotta tell you. Oh, Cameron's shoe fell off. The kid's gotta tie his sneakers. We've been telling him for 18 years now to tie your damn sneakers. Heck, look at him. There's Cameron Wilcox there making a little scene.
Untie it.
Middle of the game, you gotta call timeout. He can't get his damn foot in his shoe. Folks, they got a substitution in there. He's got sneaker problems.
Oh, shit.
Kid's got 30 pairs of sneakers and he can't keep his feet in them. Holy cow. Well, he just basically took himself out of the game there. Nunesi's got the ball now. We resume here. Danny Silva there. The kid's touching him. Long shot. Kind of an air ball.
Pass the ball.
Shot right there. Number 12 banks down 2 more. fired up over there. Seekonk's got to score a couple things. Josh Silva with a deep shot. Nice. And Josh Silva answers back with a three-pointer of his own, folks. His kid with some pizza there. Kickball to Noonsy. Kickball. 35-26. 9-point lead. Well, they've narrowed it down to a 7-point lead for Seekonk. There's Noonsy top of the key.
Pass the ball, set it up.
Matt Bailey to Noonsy. Noonsy's taking it to the hoop. A little too fast. He went underneath the hoop. There's number 12, hot hand. Do not let him shoot. Off to number 15.
Let him in!
Back to number 12. Long shot.
Nice, nice. Rebound. Nice.
Seekonk.
Slow it down!
Josh Silva hits the floor hard along with another player. No foul. And the ball gets turned over to Dutch.
Come on, guys. Don't let him in!
There it is, halftime, 35-28. Seekonk's got the lead. We got ourselves a good game here. Hopefully that Wilcox kid can get his sneaker situation straightened out. We'll keep you up to date. We'll try to get a reporter in the locker room during halftime. In the second half here. 35-30, Seekonk's winning.
Good defense!
Nice. Seekonk with the ball, Noonsy. With the three-pointer. What is that? There you go. Seekonk with the rebound. Josh Silva with the ball. Driving in. Taking a shot. Not a best. Seekonk. We got ourselves a one-point game here, 5 minutes to go. Seekonk ball. Nice 3-point shot, Danny Silva. It was 2 points actually. 2 points. Seekonk crowd, this is the bad guys up here. There's Wilcox coming in. Got his sneakers on. Pink Sox got the ball. Two-point game. Just under 4 minutes to play in the third quarter. The Hobbit throws it away. Seekonk ball. Make them pay, make them pay. Here's Jordan sporting some pink socks too. Fouled at the line for 2. Yeah, 2 minutes, 46 seconds, 2-point game. Here's a zebra. Wilcox showing his support there, a little fine. Subs coming in. Wilcox taking another break. I'll tell you, the excitement's overwhelming, folks. Kid's on fire. Nice little layup there. Seekonk does tend to stumble in the third quarter. Hopefully Call a timeout or something. Nice. Oh. Seekonk ball. Good hustle, good rebound. What do we got? 46-43, three-point game. Just under 2 minutes to play in the third quarter. Seekonk's clinging to the lead. Oh, wide open shot, Eddie. Sinks it for two. Back to a one-point game. Seekonk trying desperately not to turn the tables. Oh boy. Well, Dayton Rehoboth's got the ball. We got a one-point game. I got to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, Rehoboth has not had a lead yet today. Oh, travel! Seekonk stays alive. Seekonk coach looks like he's losing it over there. Tap on the head, tap the head play. Josh Silva getting the ball. Looks like he wants to take it to the hoop. Passes it over. Seekonk loses the ball, loses possession. 34 seconds left in the quarter. Seekonk up by one. Timeout, Seekonk. Trying to get their composure. Seekonk trying to hold on to the lead. This will be the first lead change in the game if Dayton can put it up. Oh, and Seekonk holds on. Dan Silva's got the ball. We got 12 seconds left in the quarter. Enough time to get a shot off. Oh, and then a third quarter, Seekonk up by one. Here we go. Last quarter, 8 minutes. Fourth quarter, Wilcox is on the court. Y'all got some nice speakers out there, folks. Pretty important possession for Seekonk. They've been hanging on to this one-point lead for quite some time. Wilcox to Josh Silva. Unfortunate bounce for the good guys.
Cameron should have taken that shot.
Yeah. Again, we got a one-point game. Dayton with the ball. Stolen. Josh Silva up for two. Seekonk up by three. That is a big turnover. That could cost Dayton Rehoboth the game, folks. We'll soon find out. Rehoboth answers back with two. Back to a one-point game. A lot of pressure on these kids. They got a snow day tomorrow. We got a blizzard. Silva takes it in for two. Oh, a sweet play. A little razzle-dazzle by Seekonk over there. Timeout, Rehoboth. There it is. Resume play. The timeout is over. 6:45 left in the quarter. Seekonk clinging to a 3-point lead. And Rehoboth brings in the ball. 1 3-pointer from tying this thing. And he wants to try it. Seekonk, yep. Forces another turnover. Dan Silva and Nunzi calling their plays. Cameron Wilcox thought about shooting. Passed it over to Nunzi. Nunzi puts it up a little short. Not sure what that call was, but either way it was on Seekonk. Still a 3-point game. Back to that 1-point game. Oh, a turnover right there by Nunzi. That could spell trouble. Seekonk still hanging on to that 1-point lead. I don't know how they do it, folks. Luck is on their side. It must be home court advantage. I don't know. Seekonk tends to throw up some of these long shots late in the game. I'm not sure if that strategy is going to continue to pay off for Seekonk. They need to work it in for a couple here. Dan Silva bringing it to the hoop. 3 points, just over 5 minutes to play. Almost stolen. Out to 3-pointer. There's that kid number 12. He's the one you need. There's no reason to have him wide open taking shots like that. Folks, they just tied up the game. We got a tie ball game here. And you can hear the Rehoboth crowd. They got some more energy in this building now. Seekonk needs to counter. Wilcox with the ball. He's driving up with a little razzle. No foul. Dighton ball. Taken out of the game. Rehoboth's got the ball, looking for their first lead of the game. Number 12, you don't want him to shoot the ball, folks. Inside pass. Number 15 up. And a foul. The lead has changed. Dighton does now have the lead, a 3-point lead. Seekonk needs to answer. They're throwing up these long balls. They need to drive it to the hoop. Try to draw the foul instead of throwing up these 3-point shots. You can see here, folks, the momentum has changed. We get a timeout. Seekonk down by 5 late in the fourth quarter. Seekonk's got the ball. Three-point game. Oh, turnover. Seekonk needs to slow it down here. Seekonk. It remains Seekonk ball. Three-point game. Just under 3 minutes to play. Josh Silver will take it in from the out of bounds. Looks like the coach is calling the team over. And it's not even a timeout. I'm not sure. He could be called for a technical. Josh Silva. Jump ball. Going the other way. There's a lot of pressure in this building here. About 2.5 minutes to play. We'll hold it now. Clinging to a three-point game. And they're looking to add to that lead. They're running down the clock. Seekonk ball. Great defensive play. Great defensive play. They need to not go for the three here. Go for two, draw a foul. Josh Silver almost lost it. And he did throw it away. He got it back. Jamie Silver to Josh. Game, just over a minute and a half to play. Timeout call. We want Ryan! 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 Rahova's got the ball. With a 1-point lead. A minute and a half left to play. Seekonk is trying desperately to turn this ball over. Number 14, jump pass to number 15. Josh Silva playing some great defense. Great defense in Seekonk. Down by 1. 1 minute to play. Seekonk has now got the lead by 1. This crowd is on their feet. I don't know what's going on. It looks like the roof is coming down. We have none of the crowd. Dayton is not don't know what to say about anything. They are stunned.
You still have time. What a great game. This is great.
Yeah, 41.1 seconds. Seekonk now has a 1-point lead. And Diamond Hogan wants to play football, folks. They don't want to play the game anymore. They're bailing out. You knew it would come down to this. There's a lot of anxiety here in Seekonk, ladies and gentlemen. It is February 7th. We got a blizzard on the way tomorrow. These kids just found out they have no school. They'll be out all night long. The parents are going to be up worried about them. I don't know. I can feel the pressure here. It's what they call sweaty palm time. Holbert's got the ball, taking it in from midcourt. There you go. 37 seconds left. Tighten down by 1. Defense. Foul.
That was an easy basket then.
Seekonk fouled. 2 free shots here. Pressure got to the kid. I mean, you gotta feel bad for him. He's got another shot to tie the game, folks. 30 seconds to go. I mean, the crowd is going wild. Oh, and he ties it up and Titan is going absolutely. Looks like Seekonk could have the last laugh. Tie game, Danny Silva, top of the key, and we got a timeout.
My God.
I mean, this is, you couldn't script it any better than this. 19.9 seconds left, 58 to 58. You can hear the chant. It's where's the air horn? Where's the air horn, they're saying. I guess a few Seekonk classmates got tossed out of the game early on for blowing their damn air horns. Here's the assistant principal. I think he's tossing a couple more Seekonk kids. I mean, there's 40 seconds left. Let them play. Let the fans stay. He's not happy. They don't put up with anything here at Seekonk. And they've called in the Seekonk police. Down from the stands he goes, another air horn. They passed down the air horn, but they forgot to pass down the kid that was using it. Here we go, we're back in the game. Seekonk's got the ball. We got 18 seconds to go. Dan Silva's Judge Jordan, number 1, now has got the ball. Josh Silva. There was a foul on the play. There must still be time in the clock. Rough ending for Seekonk. Lost to their rival.